Hello everyone, welcome to Anubhav Trainings. Today we learn SAP RAP Model practically step by step.
RAP stands for RESTful ABAP Programming Model, used for modern SAP Fiori application development. RAP architecture uses CDS views, behavior definitions, services, and Fiori applications together. First, we create a backend database table for storing product business information. CDS views define business data structure and expose backend fields to applications. Annotations automatically generate labels, filters, search fields, and user interface behavior. Behavior definitions handle create, update, and delete operations inside RAP applications. Implementation classes contain validations, calculations, and enterprise business logic processing. Service binding activates and publishes OData Services for front-end consumption. RAP provides cloud-ready architecture, faster development, scalability, and clean SAP standards. Managed RAP automates logic, while unmanaged RAP provides full developer control. RAP integrates with CAP and SAP BTP for modern cloud application development. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and continue your SAP learning journey with Anubhav Trainings.